You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. Speed's good, boys. Keep it coming. We're breaking through. See some light. I'm in some kind of a chamber. Does tile work? Slime! What? It's a river of slime! There's gotta be 25,000 gallons of it. It's flowing through here like a river. Van Horn. Pneumatic transit. I can't believe it. It's the old pneumatic transit system. It's still here. Okay, whoa. That's good. That's good. Hold me up. That's good.
What do you see?
See if I can get a sample.
What's going on here? Hey, what's the story? Hey, what, you boneheads are gonna come and roust me out again? I got 3,000 phones out in Greenwich Hills. I got about 8 million miles of cable I gotta check. You gonna come and shake my monkey tree again? What are you talking about, buddy? The phone lines are over there. What did I say to you? The phone lines are over there.
Hey.
What did I say? How many times?
Hey, you're not with Con Ed or the phone company. We checked. So tell me another one.
I got a major gas leak here. Where do you think all this is coming from? The sky?
Okay, boys. Boys, pull me up now, all right? It's some kind of activity going on with this stuff.
Boy, take out!
Take me up!
Ray, start it.